Hi there, students. Presenteeism. I quite like this word. This word is related to personnel, to human resources and business. I think this word presenteeism really talks about three slightly different things. I think firstly, presenteeism refers to going to work when you're feeling ill, when you're sick. Yeah, if you've got a migraine or a cold, or this idea that you've got to go to work even if you're sick. And I think presenteeism in this case is not a very good thing, because if you've got a cold, you could end up giving it to everyone else in the company. So presenteeism. Then presenteeism can also refer to putting in long hours at work but not actually working all the time. You're trying to lead people to believe that you're working. Maybe you put your jacket on the back of a chair. Okay, they also refer to this as putting in face time. So this is spending longer at work, staying at work longer than usual in order to show that you work hard, that you're important at work, that you're a good worker. And very often presenteeism in this form is an employee's reaction to job insecurity. If everybody's worried about being sacked, or the company are laying off people, then suddenly you will find everybody is at work longer. The opposite of this would be absenteeism. And then the final idea of presenteeism is when you're at work, but you just work at a reduced level. Yeah, you're distracted by other things. So maybe instead of working, you're browsing the internet, or maybe you're playing a game online. So presenteeism, you're there, but your mind isn't on the work, or you're not really doing your work. And this normally comes from lack of motivation. Yeah, you're just bored by your job. Now, all three types of presenteeism are a problem for companies. Okay, so presenteeism, going to work when you're ill. Okay, it makes you look like a very serious and dedicated worker. And then again, spending a longer time at work than necessary, persistently working longer hours, taking less holidays, and particularly because you're frightened you're going to lose your job. And then finally, presenteeism, you're there at work, but you're not really very motivated, and you spend a lot of your time distracted doing other things. And the cure to that would be to find a way to motivate employees, to make them feel to make them interested in what they're doing. Okay, so presenteeism is the idea of being present at work. And I think also, though, presenteeism, this is part of a person's character. I think if people are insecure, then presenteeism in insecure people is higher. As I said, the opposite of presenteeism is absenteeism. So presenteeism, it's interesting that this word is mostly British. But I've seen these various different forms of presenteeism in various different companies, and it's just being at work, especially if you're too sick to be productive, or you're working beyond expected hours, or you just spend your time at work killing time rather than actually being productive. So, formality. Presenteeism. I think I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. It's a business word. It's related to HR, human resources, personnel. And the origin, well, is being present. Yeah, that's where it comes from. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Presenteeism.